I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Preferences and Presets so you control exactly what moves. First, export the most critical items, brushes, actions, and workspaces, because these define your editing flow. Once you pick them, choose Export Preset or Save to File. This creates discrete Aber, ATIN, or PSW files. Make sure to name exports clearly and pick a reachable folder. It speeds import later. This step prevents accidental overwrite and documents what you transferred for reproducibility. Next, copy exported preset files to the target machine or cloud account. You want them in the appropriate presets folder to avoid confusion. Then use Edit Presets Manage or the specific load/import command for brushes, patterns, and actions. You import actions with the Actions panel menu and load brushes with the Brush Settings panel. Once imported, restart Photoshop or toggle panels to ensure presets register. This avoids silent failures and guarantees consistency between systems. To finish, verify each item. Run an action on a test file, paint with the loaded brush, and switch to the imported workspace so you confirm everything behaves as expected. If something is missing, check file paths, OS permissions, and version differences. Older preset formats can fail on newer Photoshop builds. Once resolved, back up the working configuration and consider using Creative Cloud Sync for ongoing propagation. This keeps your editing environment reproducible and reduces future transfer friction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.